Hi friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel. You are also part of this channel from now onwards. So at the beginning, I pray my God to give us lot of amount of good profit from share market, so that together we can grow. That's my assurance. We can grow together. So I will not waste I am not wasting time. So let us go to the things. Friends, this is my current Zerodha Kite account. Currently I am holding handsome amount of 7.5 lakh rupees in my Zerodha Kite account. Friends, you will not believe, before 3 months it was just only 2.5 lakh rupees only. But at that time, from there onwards, I studied. I have done a lot of researches. I have worked a lot on this field, so that now I have already got 3 times of my principal. So how I achieved it? What was my problems? What was the problems I have faced in the starting of the share market? I will discuss it with you people. So let's begin. Friends, remember, this is my first time in channel. I don't know how to manage a channel, how to edit. I don't know nothing. So it just coincidentally I am starting this. There is no reason for starting this particular channel. I start this particular channel only because actually my friends all are belongs to different sectors. Actually they don't interested in share market. So let us start sharing the trades for today. For tomorrow I am selecting RBL Bank. Okay, RBL Bank. And next is Chola Finance. And next one is Axis Bank. And next one is HDFC Bank. So these were the stocks I am choosing for tomorrow. So why I am choosing this for sectors, for stocks? Why I am taking this? I will discuss regarding this later. So before that, I will tell you one thing, that I want to build a good community, because I am doing this share market for the last 8 years. So actually my friends and almost all my colleagues not at all interested in share markets. So I don't like to discuss it with them. So I want to build a strong community. I want to discuss with you. If I am mistake, you please tell me. If there is any mistake with me, you please guide me, because I am not 100% fit. So you people can guide me in any kind of mistakes if I am making. So we can grow. Together we can grow. We can make a good community, and together we can grow. So first of all, that's the reason why I started this channel. So in my starting time, before 8 years, I started share market before 8 years. So at that time I don't know how to trade. At that time I just enter in particular trade, just it is going, graph is going, why it is going, how it is going, where it is going. I don't know nothing. I don't have any idea regarding this chart movements. I just entered here, just exit here and got a profit of 2000 rupees, just like that. I just entered here, exited here, lost 2000 rupees. So I don't know what was the reason. I am just wanted, because in the starting time most of the people does not having the patience. Patience is the key factor in share market, as you all know. But nobody is having patience. Nobody is having time to study how it is moving, why it is moving. Nobody is looking into the market, how these kind of movements are possible. So that is the main problem with me also. In the starting time when I started this share market, I lost almost I think nearly rough figure, I think I lost almost 2 lakh rupees. I lost. That time I thought stock market is not good, I have to leave this, and I blamed that. But later I look into the matter, how I lost, what was the reason. Because we are having a lot of opportunities in share market, a lot of share is there. So how I lost? From there onwards I started studying lot of things. I studied lot of things. From there onwards I have done a big mistakes. I took call from others for payment. Okay, payment basis. So I have paid almost 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees for 3 months plan. So after that I realized that these broking firms, they are giving blank calls. They are actually giving blank calls because they don't have any loss. They are simply giving you calls. You are just enter, just exit, just enter, just exit. So they are giving rough calls. You know, big broking firms, biggest broking firms. I will tell you one thing. Biggest broking firms give you blank calls. In our Money Control Pro application, you can see there itself. They were given call to Aurobindo Pharma for a target of 1,000 rupees when it was 950. Okay, from there onwards you can watch it, you can see it. From there it is down to 730. Why it is happened? Why it is down? Actually they were giving blank calls because of some big guns. They were safely existing. They were safely exit their trade at the top. So retail investors they were the main losers. So biggest gun, they doesn't lose money. So these kind of biggest guns, they give wrong calls to the retail investors, and retail investors jump into it and they lose the lot of the money. So I have observed a lot of things. I have studied a lot of things. So I just want to share something. First of all, I would like to say intraday is safe. Nowadays intraday is safe, but as you all know that intraday is not safe. You people know swing trade as well as long term, these two are safe. You people are thinking like that, but you have to understand one thing. Now the scenario is getting worse in our country, and in global scenario is also getting worse. Why it is? Because the first and the main thing is corona threat. Up to now no vaccine is there, so there may be chance for a corona breakout. Let God does not allow that, so I don't know, but we have to look into it. So corona crisis is not over yet, so it is a crisis in the world. So next thing, in our country, the problem Indo-China border issue. So this kind of issues were you people were getting messages and news regarding this Indo-China border issues, and it is getting worse, sir. So I don't know, at which day it is going to break any problem. So if there is any problem, surely market will be down 5%. No doubt, there will be a blind down of 5%. And next, in November, US election is there. So be cautious. Even if you are taking a entry in swing trade, it is very difficult. So the trend may change at any time, but in intraday you will get a lot of chances. You will get if the market is good, you just observe night. If Dow Jones, Nasdaq, everything is doing well in the night, you just take a position tomorrow. Take new position. Otherwise, just go away from the market. Don't take any position, because again and again, from my past experience, I would like to tell you one thing, that taking trade every day is not a wise option. Taking trade every day is not a wise option. If there is a clear trend, then only please take the trade, because you want to travel from here to here. If the road is clear, nothing is here, you can go. Simply you can go and you can reach here. But even the road is having some problems, you don't know what was way, how you are going. So don't take trade on those kind of days. Let's go out of the trade. Don't take any trade on such kind of day. So not taking trade is also equal to taking a trade. So I have to explain some more thing. So I don't know, because this is the first time that I am doing a video. So if there is any problem, then also please forgive me. Just think that you people are doing this video, just think like that only. Just forgive me, because this is my first time that I am doing this YouTube video. I don't know, I am shocking. I am not even able to speak. Okay, so we are going. So we are discussing the trade which I am taking tomorrow. That is, one is RBL. Why I am taking RBL? It is because RBL falls from the level of 215. So, and the other thing, there is a positive movement. Before the 2-3 days before, we got already RBL claimed that they got 5% more deposit money in the bank. That is a positive sentiment. And also the decision which was taken by the RBI, that also will boost the banks. So banks will be a safe bet for tomorrow. But day after tomorrow, as you all know that there is a big judgment from the Honorable Supreme Court on monetary issues. So tomorrow we can bet on banks. So tomorrow personally also I will do trade on this only, RBL, and next Chola Fin. Okay, first of all we will go to RBL. Okay friends, this is the chart of RBL for the last 5 days. Actually it is consolidating. It is actually consolidating for the last 5 days in a range. As we all know, actually net is little bit of slow, so sorry about that. Actually I would like to say that it is consolidating. In this area. So there may be a chance for a breakout tomorrow, but don't look for a breakout. Just take 2 to 3 points and just safely exit from the trade. So, and the next one is that Chola Fin. In Chola also, in Chola also it is also consolidating in a range bound. So actually net is very slow, friends. I am very sorry. Yes, look into this. Chola is actually in a range bound, so there may be a chance for a breakout. If Bank Nifty and Nifty is supporting, there may be a good breakout, but don't wait for such kind of long breakouts. Just safely exit. That is my advice to you. Don't be so greedy in share market. And next one I would like to share is that Axis Bank share. Axis Bank is also, which is fall from 500, so it is in a way to attain that 500 level. It is doing well. Last the performance of the bank is also very good, and it is also going in a very good pattern. So next one I would like to suggest you is that HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC Bank, let me check it out. Okay, HDFC Bank. Actually I am choosing this bank only because that the result of the HDFC Bank is going to be declared on the next week itself. So there may be a blast, but again I am telling you, don't be greedy in share market. So it is very difficult to take a position. So my idea for tomorrow is that tomorrow there will be a clear trend for banks, but there may be a chance for gap up opening also. But I am taking position in these trades from 9 o'clock to 9:10, so that I am taking position. From here onwards I will safely quit after 2 to 3 minutes. This is my plan for tomorrow. On other days my planning was normally other days I took trade at 9:20 hours, because after checking the initial momentum I just take the trade. The idea behind is that when a trade is starting from here, it will just move just like this, then there will be a profit booking. It will go down. At this juncture there may be a bounce back. So at this juncture there may be a bounce back, so that we can take trade from here also. So my program for tomorrow is that I will take trade from here. I will share those things with you people on my tomorrow's video at 9 p.m. Okay, from night 9 p.m. I will share what has happened with me, and what was the mistakes, on what was the things which has happened with me. I will share it with you people from tomorrow 9 o'clock 9 p.m. I will share it. So so if there is any mistakes in my video, please forgive me, please support me. So please share my channel with your friends. Not all with your friends, not all of your friends. I just want to build a community, those who are interested in share market. Please don't share it with everyone, because my wife and my all are telling that please share it with my friends. No, I don't want that kind of sharing. Please share with those who are interested in share market. So they will come to know our feelings. Because some of my friends, they were simply telling that you are losing money, you are doing some risky play, you are taking risk. So I would like to tell you that share market is a risk, but even if we study, we will get a good amount of money. We will get a good amount of money. Study is important. I have studied for the last 5 years. I gained a lot of knowledge, so I can definitely help you guys. So we as a community, we want to grow. Even if you found that I am genuine, please share it with your friends, and please support me. Please comment in the video, please like the video. So friends,